Ready to kickstart your career in IT with hands-on experience? Today, we're diving into how to apply for the National Apprenticeship Training Scheme, or NATS, at Infosys. This program is your launchpad for gaining valuable skills and practical experience in the IT industry. First, head over to the official Infosys website. Navigate to their career or training section. This is usually clearly labeled somewhere on the homepage. Keep an eye out for apprenticeship programs or early career opportunities specifically mentioning NATS. Once you're in the careers section, use their search and filter option. Search for NATS India apprenticeship or keywords like trainee to narrow down your results. Be as specific as possible to find the relevant postings. When you find a NATS posting that suits your interests, carefully read the job description. Pay attention to the skills they're seeking, the location, and the program's duration. This will help you tailor your application, prepare your resume, and any other required documents. Once you've read the job description, look for the Apply Now button or a similar call to action. It is very important to create a strong and impactful application. You will then be asked to create an account or log in. Make sure to choose a username or email ID that you can remember for future application needs. Double check all the information. Finally, submit your application. Remember to check your email regularly for updates. Applying for NATS at Infosys is a fantastic way to get invaluable experience. Good luck.